Hello friends, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. Today let us do lacy daisy leaf embroidering. For this stitch I am using anchor embroidering thread number 1215, a thick blunt needle with all the 6 strands of thread. First insert the needle and pull over like this. Again insert the needle at the same point and take it out at the end of the leaf. Thread below the needle and pull over. You will get a chain, and this is called detached chain stitch. And now insert the needle at the end of the leaf, so you will get a small straight stitch here. Again insert the needle just below the leaf and pull over. Insert the needle at the same point and take it out at the tip of the leaf like this. Thread below the needle, pull over. You will get a chain like this for the leaf, and insert the needle at the tip of the leaf and take the needle below the fabric. Again insert the needle at the same point and pull over so that we bring it above the fabric. Again insert the needle at the same point and take it out at the tip of the leaf. Thread below the needle and pull over. You will get a chain. Again insert the needle at the tip of the leaf. Now insert the needle at the next node and pull over. Pass the needle through all the 3 chains like this and pull over. Again insert the needle at the same point. You will get another chain here. Just below the leaf insert the needle and pull over. Insert again at the same point and take it out at the tip of the leaf. Thread below the needle and pull over. Again repeat the same stitches. At the same point bring the needle back and put the leaf on the other side. The tip of the leaf will be getting a small straight stitch, and the length of the leaf depends on the straight stitch. If the leaf is long in the design, you can put a long straight stitch, and if the leaf is short, you can just put a small straight stitch. Now insert the needle just below the previous point so that the stitch will be clear and correct. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. And I have already posted many videos regarding the stitches for the beginners, and I have given all the links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos for other basic stitches and chain stitches, you can go to the link in the description and learn those stitches. If you like this video, click the like button and also share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. You can use this stitch for small leaves in your embroidering design, and also for small flowers. You can put these chains for the petals of the flowers. And this is the back view of the stitch. I'll finish all these leaves and come back to you. Now I have finished all those leaves, and at the end we'll be putting 2 chains together like this and finish it at the back side of the fabric. Thank you for watching.